Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT for homework help. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Here you can see introducing ChatGPT. Press on this. Now press on Try ChatGPT. Here I'm gonna show you how you can ask ChatGPT for homework help with clear points, example and specific details. I'm gonna show you some points with example. So let's get started. Number 1. Specify the subject or topic. Example: I need help with my math homework. Here you may have give some details. You have to mention the specific subject you need help with, so ChatGPT can tailor the response accordingly. Number 2. Describe the homework problem or concept you are struggling with. Example: I'm having trouble understanding quadratic equations. Here you have to clearly describe the part of your homework you are struggling with, so ChatGPT can focus on the right area. Number 3. Ask for a detailed explanation or step-by-step help. Example: can you explain quadratic equations and solve one step-by-step for me? Here you have to request a breakdown or an example to make it easier to understand. Number 4. Provide specific request. Example: can you help me solve a word problem involving quadratic equations? If you need help with a specific task like solving a word problem, mention that explicitly. And the last one, number 5. Example question. Example: how can I use ChatGPT for my history homework? For example, I need help understanding the causes of World War I. Can you provide a detailed explanation of the key factors involved? So, by specifying the subject, problem, and details, you guide ChatGPT to give you precise, focused assistance based on your needs. This method helps you get the most relevant answers for your homework. That's it. So guys, I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.